Okay, continuing on with the rudder and our cutout for the leading edge of the elevator. Okay, you can see that I've gone ahead and made both my cuts. Try to back up a little bit here. I've made both my cuts on my 45s on both the front and back, or left and right side, I should say. I've also gone ahead and drilled an 1/8 inch hole in the center. And something I may not have covered earlier, when I was putting the clear plastic tape around all the gussets to be sure that they're not going to scratch, I went ahead and put a piece around both of these gussets here so that I have something to apply my double sticky tape to, because they're just two open tubes. See if I can get in there. They're just two open tubes. So if you put a piece of clear plastic tape over this gusset, that'll give you an area to stick to. So and I've also gone ahead and applied my double sticky tape on all my surfaces, and I've also gone ahead on the final wrap. I've applied the double sticky tape there. So I'll go ahead and I'll roll these around just like that. Same thing this side, and then I'll go, oops, I didn't peel my backing off my double sticky tape yet, but I'll do those, and then I'll do the final side with this. Now I always try to keep my final layer on the same side as this is here. So you see I'm working with my, again, with this side up, so that my overlapping will be on the same side as this. If that makes sense to you, I hope.